I embrace you to the very nature amiable project near Manarola, Italy. This European culture to inculcate human interplay with earth is Nature House. This structure, having a raised up entrance, gives attractive foyer with a socially active drawing area. The house involves and interconnects with nature. To instill you the most relaxing time, the house fosters an open air pool for you and your family. With so much of elements inside the structure, an important role is played by the microclimate surrounding the area. Mountainous region with a water body releases cool breeze to the site. With direct connection to the linking road SP 370, this house could be your next holiday destination.